Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss problems on surface areas and volumes topic. In that, the question is given: the total surface area of a cube is 1350 square meter. Find its volume. Here, TSE of a cube is given. By using this one, we can find its value. We know a cuboid whose dimensions are equal, then it is called what? A cube. See, this is a cube. It has a square face, na? Already we know that. Okay. So this is length, this is breadth, and this is height. Clearly, length is equals to breadth is equals to height is equals to a units. అంటే లెంత్ బ్రెడ్త్ హైట్ ఈ 3 డైమెన్షన్స్ వచ్చేసి ఇన్ క్యూబాయిడ్ ఈక్వల్. నౌ కమింగ్ టు ద క్వశ్చన్, గివెన్ డేటా, గివెన్ TSA total surface area of a cube is equals to 1350 square meters. We know what is the formula for total surface area of a cube, nana? Total surface area of a cube ante we must find the area of all 6 faces. A cube has a 6 faces, na? 6 faces, 8 vertices, 12 edges. And total top face, bottom face, front face, back face, side face, okay na? So total 6 faces area ni find out cheste manaku vachindi 1350 square meters. So TSA of a cube is equals to the formula actually, that is 6a square is equals to, that is 1350. Now 6a square means that is 6 into a square. So by transposing 6 from LHS to RHS, then what happened? 6 a square is equals to 1350 by 6 into quantity. This becomes what, nana? Division quantity. Now what I am doing here, you just add the digits in this. 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 0 9. So digits వచ్చేసి యాడ్ చేస్తే 9 వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ 6 ఉంది. So clearly these two numbers are exactly divisible by 3. 3 2 is 6, 3 4 is 12, అంటే ఇక్కడ 1 ఉంటుంది. Beside number is 5. 3 5 is 15, 0. 3 zeros are 0. Again 2 1s are 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. Here 1 is there, beside number is 0. 2 5s are. So a square is equals to, we get 225. So ఈ 225 కి factors find out చేయండి. Then what we get? 225 5 table లో 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Means we can write it as 3 into 5 into 3 into 5. Okay na? So because of 5 repeats 2 times and 3 repeats also 2 times, so that's why we can write it as 3 into 5, 3 into 5. Means that is 15 into 15 we will get. So both sides root apply cheste is equals to under root of 225. So square root cancel, then square root cancel. Now we get a is equals to under root of 225 means just now we see here, that is what, 15 square, 15 sir, that is 225. So 225 is a perfect square number. Now we get a side of a cube. మనకి side of a cube వచ్చింది. So what is the volume? Volume of a cube. వాల్యూమ్ అంటే తెలుసు కదమ్మా, The space, every solid object is occupies space. So the space occupied by a solid object is called its wall. So volume of a cube is equals to, that is a cube. Volume is always cubic units. Now here we get a volume is 15 meters na, 15 cubic meters. 15 cube means that is 15 into 15 into 15. So 15 15s are 225 into 15. Then what happens? 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 12. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. 1 5s are 1 2s are 1 2s are 5 7 3 3. So we get 3375 cubic meters. So this is the volume of a, this is a volume of a cube when its total surface is given 1350 square meters. Okay. Now see one more question. If what happens, how does the total surface area of a box change? How does a TSA of a box change each dimensions is doubled? What is the question, Anna? How does total surface area of a box change? How does total surface area of a box change if each dimension is doubled? We know మనకి బాక్స్ వచ్చేసి ఏ షేప్లో ఉంటుంది అన్న? బాక్స్ వచ్చేసి మనకి క్యూబాయిడ్ షేప్లో ఉంటుంది. ఎస్, లైక్ దిస్ టూత్పేస్ట్ బాక్స్ ఆర్ సంథింగ్ ప్యాకింగ్స్లో యూస్ చేస్తాం కదా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డస్టర్ ఆల్సో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఆఫ్ ఏ cuboid because of it has a rectangular face. Yes, like that. Now what are the dimensions of a cuboid? Nana, we know that is length, breadth, height. So these are the dimensions of a cuboid. So what is our question? Each dimension is doubled. ఒకవేళ ఈ length, breadth, height, length doubled అయితే, breadth also doubled, height also doubled, then what happened? What is the change in the total surface area of a box? మనకి total surface area of a box లో ఏం చేంజ్ వస్తుంది? Now see its solution. So the dimensions, each dimension of a cuboid is doubled, means length is equals to doubled means what? 2a, and breadth is equals to double means what? 2 breadth, and height is equals to double means what? 2 height. Okay, so length doubled, breadth also doubled, height also doubled. Then what are the changes happening in total surface area? Now see, total surface area of a cuboid is equals to, that is 2 of L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Okay, so this is the formula. This is the total surface area of a cuboid. Now what I am doing here, 2 of L ante L doubled means that is what nana? 2L. B doubled means that is 2B. H doubled means that is 2H. So అవే ఇక్కడ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయండి. LB అంటే that is 2L into 2B plus BH అంటే that is 2B into 2H. plus HL means that is 2H into 2L. Okay, so we get 2 of 2 2s are 4, 4 into LB plus 2 2s are 4, 4 into BH plus again here also 2 2s are 4 into HL. Okay, now here 4 4 4 ఇక్కడ 4 అనేది కామన్ ఉంది. సో దట్స్ వై వాట్ ఐమ్ డూయింగ్, యూ జస్ట్ టేక్ అవుట్ ద కామన్, బయటకు లాగేసేయండి 4ని, యూ జస్ట్ టేక్ అవుట్ ద కామన్, then what happened, so 2 of we get 2 of LB plus BH plus HL, ఎందుకంటే ఆల్రెడీ 4ని కామన్ తీసేసాం, ఇక్కడ 4 ఇక్కడ 4 ఇక్కడ 4 ఉంది, 4 కామన్ తీసేస్తే 2 of LB plus BH plus HL అంటే that is equals to 4 times of original TSA, original total surface area of a cuboid. అంటే we conclude that if each dimension of a cuboid is doubled, the total surface area of a particular box, okay na, its total surface area of a particular box is 4 times of its original total surface area. So you to take if each dimension is tripled, okay na, each dimension is tripled, ఒకవేళ each dimension length, breadth, height, each dimension అనేది tripled అయితే then you just what changes happening in total surface area of a box, you to solve. Okay ma, so thank you.